This dance is called You Don't Even Know. It's by myself, Joshua Talbot. It's a 4-wall, 48-count waltz. There are 2 restarts on wall number 4 with a little step change and wall number 7. Face the front with me. I'm going to run through the whole dance first with the words, then the counts, and then we're going to break it down section by section. All right, are you ready? Let's do it. To start, weights on your right foot. We're ready to cross weave. We're going to run through the whole thing with the words first. Left foot cross, cross, side, behind, quarter turn, paddle, quarter turn, cross left, half turn, left, cross right, 3/4 turn right. Step forward, drag with a touch, back, half turn, quarter turn, back behind with a sweep, ready to basic, forward, 2, 3, quarter turn, basic to the right, weave behind, 1, 2, 3, drag left, 2 together, full turn roll to the corner, step, raise with a kick, step, rock back, recover, push, recover, straighten up, left, and twinkle to finish up. Weights on your right foot, left foot weave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first restart is on wall number 4. Now you'll start facing the 9 o'clock direction and the restart will happen at the back, your 6 o'clock direction. Now you get to count 15 and we're going to add 3 extra counts. So technically your restart is at 18 counts. Now I'm just going to do it to the front for you. Now your 16th count would be your step forward, 1, 2 with a tap, and you would usually roll back, half turn with a quarter into the sweep. However, for wall number 4, we step forward the drag, touch, and we're just going to step back, 1, 2, 3, ready to start again. As I said, it will happen to the back wall. Face the 9 o'clock direction with me. We're going to do this one all the way through to the restart, and I'll be watching you. Weights on our right foot, left foot weave, cross, side, behind, quarter turn, paddle turn, left shoulder turn a half, cross right, 3/4, step forward, here's your drag, 2 with a tap, back, 2 with a tap, and then you're ready to start again. The second restart happens on wall number 7. You'll be facing the front to start and you'll be restarting to the front. You do a nice big sweep back and your basic step forward. Face the front, you'll be at the section with a back sweep and forward, right basic, and then you restart from the top. Try it with me from the beginning. Left foot weave across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn left, 2, 3, turn right, step forward with your slow, drag, touch, back, half turn, quarter turn, back sweep, 2, 3, forward, and restart, left foot over, 1, 2, 3. To finish this dance, you will be facing the back. You go right to the very last step and then make a little turn to the right. Now I'm going to face you just for now. We get to the raise and kick at the end, step back, rock back, recover, push left, 2, straighten up. Now your standard twinkle will become a twinkle quarter turn. And we want to stay on the spot, cross, quarter turn. We add a further quarter turn and we step to the left and drag it in. We're now going to run over this dance section by section, both with the words and the count. I might bring things back to the front just so you can see if needed. However, let's get started. Face the front, section 1. For section 1, weights on your right foot. We're going to start with a cross weave, left foot over your right, making a quarter turn on count 4 and a paddle to the back. Cross, side, behind, quarter turn, then step, paddle turn to the back. Weight should be on your right foot. Try it one more time with me. This time we're going to do it with the count. Weights on your right foot, weave across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Weights on your right. For section 2, we should be facing the back. Weight is on your right foot. We're going to cross left over for count 1. We're going to turn left as we step back on the right foot, turn left again, stepping right foot slightly to the side. We're now going to cross your right foot over your left, quarter turn right, stepping back on the left. We do a further half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward on the right. Try it one more time with the count. Weights on your right foot out of your paddle turn. Left foot's going to cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coming out of section 2 into section 3, you will be facing the 9 o'clock direction for wall number 1. We're just going to do it to the front so you can see what needs to happen, and then we'll turn it around. Face the front with me. This is section 3. For section 3, you'll be facing the 9 o'clock direction. As you've come out of your 3/4 turn, take a generous step forward with your left. We're going to drag the right foot in for a count, and then you're going to tap it with the right, and then you step back. Now, to help you with this section here, as you step forward and drag, lead with your left shoulder. Kind of wind yourself up a little bit. 1, 2, 3. My body's now opened up. For the next part of this section, we go back on the right foot for count 4, half turn over your left with the left foot, and a quarter turn left, stepping right foot to the side. We'll do it with the count. Left foot's going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Face our 9 o'clock direction. We'll do it here. This is where it happens on wall number 1. Left foot stepping forward. 1, 2. You do your shoulder, back, half turn, quarter. For section 4, you've just stepped your right foot to the side. We're going to use your left foot. We're going to step back with the left and slightly behind. The back step is what we want to focus on here. Back. Your right toe should now be extended. We sweep our right foot all the way back for 2 counts, and you should be roughly in line into a basic step forward. Now the count here is weights on your right, stepping back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm just going to do it to the side view so you can see. We want to focus, as I mentioned, more on the back step to extend that foot. If we go behind, you're just going to sweep, become slightly awkward. The bigger the back step, the nicer it's going to feel. Back, 2, 3, forward, step together. You just put the weight onto your right foot. We're going to use our left foot, and we step back with the left, quarter turn to the right on the spot, and step left on the spot. You can kind of consider that like a bit of a sailor quarter turn. Using our right foot, we're going to weave, behind, side, cross. Try it again with the count. You've come out of that sweep with a forward, basic. Back with the left foot for our next section. 1, 2, 3, bring it behind. 4, 5, 6. Weights on your right foot. We're going to step and drag to the left. 2, 3. Now we're going to roll to the right, quarter turn, half turn, quarter turn, stepping on the right, stepping on the left, stepping on the right. Now at this point here, you want to start to move your body an 1/8 of a turn. However, that step belongs to our next section. Let's do it one more time with the count. Drag to the left, weights right over left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember that body opens up to the corner. You've come out of your roll. Now remember your upper body has slightly turned into the diagonal. We're now going to officially step into that diagonal. It should be at your 4:30. Weight goes onto your left. Raise your right knee up, then extend that foot forward. We don't want to raise it completely in one go. So we're here, step, raise with a kick, right foot stepping back. We then rock back with your left, Keep that right toe down, recover your weight onto the right foot. With the count, you're still facing our 3 o'clock direction. It's just your upper body has turned. Weights on your right foot, into the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Last section. We've just come out of our rock back recover. We're still on our 4:30 diagonal. We're going to push your left foot forward, recover your weight back to the right, straightening up to the left. We do a little 1/8 of a turn, stepping on the left foot, finishing with a cross twinkle, over, side, recover, and you're now ready to start again. Let's do it with the count. You've come out of your rock back on 5, recover, 6. Pushing with the left foot so we don't step the right, left foot, 1. Back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.